Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and this time we have a support question. Tina, can you explain what the relevancy is of having public assistance when it pertains to a support proceeding?
Okay, what a lot of people don't realize, if you are a recipient of public assistance and you are filing a petition against somebody else seeking for child support and you don't report that income, you could potentially have problems in, let's say, the criminal realm. And also it's relevant for, say, the person representing the one against the person seeking more support, because they need to raise that as an issue, because if that person is going to receive a substantial amount of child support or even a nominal amount of child support, it may or may not affect that person's benefits that they receive either from the county, the state, or federally in terms of spousal maintenance. So a lot of people don't realize that when they are on public assistance or receiving those type of benefits, when they are seeking support from the father or mother of that particular child, or even spousal maintenance when they're married. They need to keep that in mind when they're looking for orders of support, whether it's for themselves or for their children.